Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to find the section either users and accounts or Google. It's up to you, I prefer the first one. So let me tap on it and then tap on add account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or enter your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because your device will autofill it after tapping on next. Here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can always remove it, just tap on it. Tap on the 3 dots icon here and tap on remove account. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so then tap on remove account and confirm it with OK. However, I don't want to do it, but trust me, after this operation it will be immediately removed from the device and it will disappear from this list. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.